Hi, this is a 2 week long adventure of me making a boat out of 3D printed materials, breaking it before I ever had a chance, making it entirely too small so it couldn't support all the electronics, and sinking, for then me make it out of styrofoam and just do alright. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, stick around. 9 hours in, we are at 21%. Hopefully it continues to print well. Alright. We are trucking right along. It looks like it's got a little bit of warping in there. Not too big of a deal. Ignore my mangled print bed. Not too bad overall. 11 hours in. I believe I set this to 20% infill. Those supports look pretty darn good. Infill's looking good. I think as long as it can finish the top half, we should be good. I'm going to bed early. It's 1:30. It's coming along nicely. Now comes to the part that worries me, but I'll see what I wake up to in the morning. Well, my idea of sleep went completely out the window, and it's actually not because of the machine. Boy, I have got to clean this. It is now 1:56. We've been going for almost 25 and a half hours. We're about 80%. Motor turned out good. All this turned out good. I was curious how it was going to do this. It just bridged the gap. So we've got a little bit of sagging, and it's a little thin right there. But you know what? All in all, not bad. What a little workhorse. And it'll start joining those two together any moment now. It is 4:30. We are starting to make the bow. I am the worst engineer alive. So one, it looks like crap. But this is the disappointing part. It doesn't float, and so I made it out of styrofoam, and I made a mast. Made it too short. Then I printed a rudder. Doesn't sit flush. Here we are today with the taller mast that's going to work. 9-gram servo, hole cut for the mast to slide into and get glued on. The rudder I did originally cut out so it would sit flush. That's not going to happen, so I'm just going to end up taping it in there. It's going to be very, very close, but I think it'll be all right. And I'll bring this other servo horn just to be safe, and my hot glue gun. I am running the Spectrum that came out of my Vatera Ascender for this, and I got this cheap ESC and motor off of Amazon, and then I went ahead and I threw a 5-inch prop on it. My original goal was going to either be running this Rage 2S LiPo or the A979B LiPos, but the plans changed. I decided to go with these Ovonic 3S drone LiPos. These are meant for, these are high discharge LiPos. They are intended for planes. I actually like Ovonic LiPos because they actually show right on the battery what it's intended for, which is kind of neat. Either way, let's get prepared. I feel as an influencer, I am obligated to say, if you guys are ever going to use boats or anything like that, if it gets lost, don't go after it. And if you do, make sure you have other people around, make sure it's safe, and of course, make sure you have a way to get the stupid thing back. I brought a fishing pole so that I can hopefully hook onto it if the battery dies, if it capsizes, or whatever have you. So, these boots are still waterproof. Okay, it floats. It kind of turns.
kind of turns. Okay, I think I should have added a keel or some bigger rudders, because I can turn, just not well. A submergible rudder could be used as well. It does plane actually pretty well. I think I have the motor aimed. I think the motor is slightly pointed to the right because the boat is going left. I can turn better left than I can right. There's no water in it, so that's good. This is also part of my. Let's see if that's better. I fixed my rudder. I can really only turn right on I can really only turn right when going slow, which is kind of a problem. 2 motors with differential thrust would probably work pretty good as well. Because I can turn actually really well to the left. Right, not so much. It comes up on plane really well, though. See, it just kind of always is turning left. I think I know why. I've got more weight on the left side. That's where my battery is. Let me try something. So I move the battery towards the center. Oh, that's so much better. Look at that. Okay, I still can't really turn right the greatest. Let me attempt to get a full speed run out of this thing. That's pretty much it. I'm going to do something really stupid. I'm going to try to take it over to their beach over there. I know all these people, so never take something where you're not supposed to, guys. Okay, so since I moved the battery, it's a little harder to get it to come up on plane. That's not bad. That's probably about 5 or 6 miles an hour. I also made this thing way bigger than I needed to. Ooh. That is so cool. I think this would do just fine. on 2S, but 3 is obviously better because it's got more punch, more power, longer runtime. So what I changed was, I had the battery placed here, then I had it placed here. I'm curious, with it being up front, what it's going to do. I imagine it's not going to plane off as well. Yeah, it's diving. It dives really hard. So with the battery directly in front of the center mast, I find it has the best. I'm gonna pick this tripod up because it's got my phone on it. I find with it right on the mast, pretty much, it's the easiest to control. It still doesn't turn right for some odd reason. So, like I said, I think a twin motor one with differential thrust would work a lot better. I'm going to have to try to get out here again before everything freezes. I have another style of prop that I want to, or not prop, sorry, rudder that I want to try. This boat is very, very rough cut, so it is definitely not the best hydrodynamically. It's very rough cut. But for little stuff like this, it's actually not bad. The main issue with fan boats, there's no reverse. If this was a dual directional motor, it very well and very easily could have it. Oh crap, that's not good. I did waterproof my electronics a little bit. So there you have it, guys. Expect more little projects like this in the future because I actually had a lot of fun, even though I was about ready to tear my hair out doing this one. So, all right, guys, that is about it. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notifications so you get all my videos because I upload frequently, as always. Hope this video makes your day just a little bit better. Live life to the max and stay awesome. Also, this was my first nautical adventure. Too many more I have planned.